Well, this is a C300 2015. We're gonna go ahead and remove the undercover for the transmission to see if it's leaking. These are 8mm bolts, which are, I think, 6 or 7 or 8. Make sure. So they were 3, 4, 7, 8 bolts. It's the last one over here. It's dry. So it's just 2 in the back, 2 bolts, 3, 4. Damn. Oh, 5, 6, and it should be another 2. Oh, right here. It's 8 bolts. Everything looks good. This is the transmission mount for these Mercedes Benz C300 formatting. No, this is not a formatting. This is 2-wheel drive. And this is the starter. It's 2 bolts, 2 E14 if I'm not wrong. E14, E-Torx 14. I'm holding the starter, just 2 bolts. Mercedes Benz C300 2015. Also, the belt housing for this is very simple. All the way around, it's like 8 or 12 bolts all the way around. It's pretty easy.